General insurance is a type of insurance that offers protection to losses and damages to both assets and liabilities. What we refer to assets is items that we have of value. Liabilities involves legal obligation and responsibilities that we have, both of them being for personal and business purposes.
Insurance is all about having peace of mind and protecting what you have earned. You keep it with you for a long time.
When you are running a business or you're operating individually, we continuously face risks as we go by. The last thing that you would want is to suffer financial setbacks. So we have set up products that covers mainly areas that affect majority of people. To begin with, we have a domestic package cover, because in every adult of age, they have a home, they have items of value that they have purchased with a lot of money. So we do cover the building itself. If you have ownership of the building, you will insure the house itself. If you have rented the premises, you will take insurance as a renter. If you have contents, of course you have contents in your house, you will insure those contents that you have. You will insure them against fire. If somebody picks the lock of your house and steals the items, you will be covered. If you have a person who works in your house as a domestic worker, if they suffer any injuries, any accident in your home, you are liable for their safety now that they work under you, so they are covered. That's a domestic package cover. We do have other covers that extends to businesses. So if you have set up a business, you should take a cover for fire. Number 2, burglary. Burglary is different from what we know as theft, because it has to have forceful entry. Somebody has to gain access to your premises by force. We have money insurance. If you're running a business and you have cash around the desk, you have petty cash, you'll have your money insured. Extending to every other thing that you have. If you're running an industry business, you have machines. Machines could break down. You have a product that you have stored in stock. It could get damaged. You have a warehouse that water can come and damage your product. The other class of general insurance is liability. Liability, as I had mentioned, is legal obligations or responsibilities that you have as a business or as a person. For instance, you are running a business and you have a building, somebody sleeps on the floor. You have a pharmacy and you sell a product, you sell medicine that is expired. That person has a right to come and sue you. We also have a professional indemnity cover. A professional indemnity cover is broad. By professionals, we mean lawyers, doctors, you are a trainer, you are an instructor. We have a cover that covers you in case in the process of delivering your service, you fail to deliver to the standard that you are supposed to deliver. For instance, you are a lawyer, you have given bad advice to your client and you have lost the case. You are a gym instructor or you are a swimmer. In the process of your training your person or your trainee, they drown. You are a professional, you have failed. Somebody can sue you. The other class of insurance is travel insurance. I know we travel a lot. You face several risks. You can lose your passport, it comes at a cost. You can lose your luggage, your flight can get cancelled. In the course of traveling in a new country, you can get injuries. And to the extreme, if somebody loses their life when they are abroad, they can get their body repatriated back to the country, and which normally if you are paying from cash, it's quite expensive.
So the next time you are traveling, try to get a travel insurance.
The range of premiums that we have is normally regulated by IRA. It gives a guide to all insurance companies. But what we do when we get into partnerships like the one that we have today, we get to give discounted rates. And even as we continue working, we are able to subsidize most of the rates. but still within the AAR'S standards. The range that we have, for example, if you're covering your domestic items in your house, and this comes as a shock to many people. When you have items below maybe $1 million shillings, you'll pay less than 10,000 shillings. At AAR, we have managed to have good rates because our covers are of good standard, especially because our losses are quite low, so we're able to offer good rates that are not affected. Wow, AAR first is the choice that you go to when you need insurance. Anybody needs insurance, everybody needs insurance. We are fully digital. That is the best thing with us. You do not have to fill paperwork. At the comfort of internet, everybody has a smartphone nowadays. You get to purchase and you get your policy documents via email.
Thank you, Wilson. You can clap again.